Hi there. Today I am going to show you my Victorinox Compact Engineer. Yes, you heard right, Victorinox Compact Engineer. It's a combination of Victorinox Compact and Victorinox Engineer. First, I will talk briefly about the Victorinox Compact. I am using the timer version of Victorinox Compact to illustrate as it has a similar set of tools between the two. The Compact is a very popular knife as it is lightweight, has a set of useful tools and is only 2 layers. Many people like the Compact because of its 2-layer configuration. This is the tool which allows the Compact to be kept in a 2-layer configuration. This combo tool alone performs several functions. It is versatile but has some limitations which I highlighted in my earlier video. It also has the very popular knife which some folks deem as a must-have. It also has the corkscrew. However, for my needs, I prefer to have the Phillips over the corkscrew. Now I am going to show you my Victorinox Compact Engineer. There are 2 changes that I made. I replaced the combo tool with the technician screwdriver. We still have the scissors and the standard blade. The other change I made was to replace the corkscrew with the Phillips screwdriver. It is an old-style screwdriver with a squarish shape. If you look closely at the tip of the Phillips, you can see there is a slit right in the middle. Some of you know this is used for opening mostly rectangular tin cans. I will talk more about that later. Here I want to show the ease of use between the T-Phillips and the inline Phillips. As you can see, the T-Phillips requires some form of flipping action which can be kind of slow. Now contrast that with an inline Phillips and you can see it is much faster and more ergonomic. The good news is, we can make use of the fine screwdriver to speed things up. Please note this works only for machine screws. Using this method with high friction wood screws will likely result in frustration. And if you need a bit of extra torque, you can once again make use of the fine screwdriver. Be careful though, as this will put a lot of stress on the liners and rivets. Now let's come back to the Phillips with the split head. I remember asking my mum to let me open the tin can when I was a kid. It was so fun. Somehow, things are always fun when you are a kid. I was pleasantly surprised to find out these types of cans are still available. I thought they were history. Here you can see the tongue which lets you slot in the can key. The can key is attached to the bottom of the can. So now I am going to recreate decades-old history and relive my childhood fun. Here we go.
Wait a minute. Aren't you supposed to open the can with the Victorinox split Phillips?
Of course. Look how nicely the strip overlays itself. Oh no! It's the oil. Please fast forward if you find this unpleasant. I'm losing a bit of my concentration. The strip is no longer aligned. We've reached the end, but I need to strip off the last bit to open the can fully. There you have it. History recreated. I hope you enjoy this video. The Victorinox Compact Engineer with the Speed Brace Technician and old-style split Phillips with can key opener. And if you happen to have the old-style Phillips, buy a can and have a go.